Guys, this is a small unboxing video of OnePlus Buds Z, the gray version, the new offering from OnePlus in the true wireless section. It's been a while coming because I think the offering was not available online for quite a while. I think a lot of requests were being made on the social media, and I think the OnePlus has made it available on the 30th of November exactly. I did also make a lot of requests to their head of marketing as well as the India managing director or somebody on the Twitter account as well. Trying to find out when is the special edition or the gray version will be made available. I think one of them did respond to me saying that it is now available as well. So it's quite a while coming, but I think there was a lot of hype around the product as well. So now I think we will do the unboxing without a lot of without much talking that is involved. I think it did come in a very good packaging as well, very sturdy and packaging. I don't think OnePlus took more than 2 days to deliver it to me. In fact, I did order it on the 1st December, day before yesterday, overnight, and I think I got it this morning. So it was quite quick. As you can see here, the packaging is very good. I mean, it looks like there is some paperwork as well that is involved. I'm not sure what it is. Let us see. Okay, fine. So it looks like a quick invoice too. That is good. And here is a simple, packaging that is involved as well. Neat and good, neat and small and sturdy packaging. Here it is. I think as it says, as you can see it here, it says OnePlus Buds Z Gray. Neat packaging as you can see, and as you can also see the particulars of the origin of the product, the color, the price. I think everything that is something that you can see. I think now we will try to open the box and see what's inside the box as well. Here you go, guys. As I said to you, the packaging is very good. I think it's quite sturdy as well. I think it usually comes in the boxes that you probably find in your smartphone boxes as well, very similar to them. As you can see, I think it's right here, the gray version. I mean, I was wondering to see what kind of color it might come with, what it might seem like, because I think most of us were waiting for the gray. The white was very shiny, very very white and whitish in color. I mean, this is the gray version. We're trying to find out how does it look like. One of the reasons why I chose to get the gray version, because I think it might get dirty very soon, considering you'll have to be always meddling with your hands. So I think here it is. I mean, let's open it as well. Okay, here you go, guys. I mean, this is the gray version of the OnePlus Buds Z. That's, as you can see, I think it comes with a nice click open kind of a mechanism. I mean, I think it's probably indicating when it probably shows that the case is open when it's white color is indicating, and when it's green, probably you can see here. I'm not sure if you're able to figure out whether it's green or white, but I think it opens with the white color indication when the lid is open of the case. But I think when it's closed, I think it starts representing the green color, right? I mean, so that probably means that it's charging right now at this point in time. So I think I've been told, I've read, I've come across many other reviews which says that it probably gives you at around 4 to 5 hours of charge each of the buds, and the probably, if you can have the case around with you, probably you can get around 10 to 12 hours. That's what probably is the information that is available from various other people as well. So I think it's been a while coming. I mean, keen to use this, keen to get on with the true wireless bandwagon. It's been a while. I think since early 2020, or maybe the end of 2019 did see a lot of true wireless earphones, earbuds that was available in the market. I think it's so the end of 2020. I'm sure there's a lot of budget options that is available. I'm sure this should be good as well. Maybe I'll put up a review video of this after using it for calls as well as music, and probably other applications as well sometime later, in the next couple of weeks. I mean, it also comes with a type C charging port as well, which is very good considering a lot of the new age smartphones come with the type C charging port as well. And it also comes with a small reset button right next to the I think you can see it now, yeah, right next to the charging port. So I think most of the things covered. I'm not sure if you're able to see how it comes like in a gray version, compared to the white one, but I can clearly see it here. It has that light dull version of the white color, probably off white you can say, probably named as gray by OnePlus. So I think this is it, guys. Very soon I'll catch you with a review once I start using it for calls, music, and the likes. Thank you.